morning all of you. How are you children? I hope everyone fine in your home. Coming to today's topic, yesterday we discussed about types of fractions and what is fraction and also types of fractions. It means like fractions, unlike fractions, mixed fractions, proper fractions, improper fraction, equivalent fractions. So today we are going to discuss ascending and descending order of the fractions. It means we are going to compare the which is the bigger fraction and which is the smaller fraction. How we are going to compare? Today we are going to discuss the topic. Let us see a few examples. How we are comparing the numbers, just see. 9 is the smaller than 21. 9 is the smaller than 21. Yes. And also that 9 is the bigger than 2 or not? Yes. That 9 is also bigger than the 2. Then and also we also know that the 2 is the bigger than minus 7. 2 is the bigger than minus 7. So it means we are going to compare the numbers, which is the bigger one, which is the smaller than. We are going to compare that such type of number. Can we make the comparison of fractions so easily? Somewhat delay for the answer. It means some confusion. Now we are going to erase that confusion. How means, just see. For example, in a school test. Generally here also one test is going on here. Then see that student A got 7 marks out of 10 marks. And also student B got 9 out of 10 marks. And student C got 5 out of 10 marks. We know that who is the got more marks here? Just. Yes, the student B got 9 marks. So that is why see A, B, C. So here that's 7 by 10, 9 by 10, 5 by 10. So who is the got more marks here? Yes, student B got the more marks from other two persons, A and C. It means see how we can conclude that one. Yes, we know who is the got more marks. Just we can see and say the answer. And also coming to generally these are the fractions. It means see that the denominator of the fractions are equal. Yes or no? Yes. So that is why which are the having same denominator, we can say easily that answer which is the bigger. Comparison is very easy. And one more example for that: 2 by 7, 1 by 7, 5 by 7. Which is the bigger one? Yes. First we are going to see all are having same denominator or not? Yes, that is all are having same denominator. Then which is the numerator bigger one here? That 5 is the bigger one. So that is why that 5 by 7 is the bigger one out of these two fractions. And also we can arrange the numbers in ascending order also. How means, just see here which is the smaller here? 1 by 7. And which is the another one? 2 by 7. Yes or no? And also what is the last one? 5 by 7. We can arranging the ascending order also very easy. When that denominators of the fractions are same, so there only we can easily write the ascending and also descending order. Now we are going to comparing unlike fractions. What is unlike fractions? Which are having different denominators, those fractions we are calling unlike fractions. Now we are going to compare in the unlike fractions which is the bigger. Let us now compare 2 by 3 and 3 by 5. Which of these are bigger one? Then see both are unlike fractions. Why? Those having different denominators. So that is why such type of fractions what we call here unlike fractions. Now see 2 by 3 and 3 by 5. We cannot now tell just by looking the numbers. Yes or no? Yes. Now see how we are going to compare these numbers. We have to convert them into equivalent like fractions. We are going now see how means just 2 by 3. The LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. LCM of 3, 5 is 15. So we have to take that 15 as a denominator. So how means just see we have to multiply 2 by 3 into 5 by 5. We will get 2 5s are 10 and 3 5s are 15. Now also one more number, that is 3 by 5. Let's see which number we are going to multiply with 5. We get here 15 by using only 3. 3 5 is 15. Now so we have to multiply with numerator also 3. 3 3 are 9 and 3 5 is 15. Then now see both are having same. We convert them into equivalent like fraction. It means see 9 by 15 and 10 by 15 both are like fraction. Now we are able to tell that which is the bigger one. How many, just see which is the bigger one here. 10 by 15 is the bigger one. What is the value of 10 by 15? That is here the 2 by 3 is the 2 by 3 is greater than the 3 by 5. So such type we are going to compare. We have to write the comparing the unlike fractions. Now consider the another example. Which is the bigger out of 7 by 9 and 3 by 11? Here also both are unlike fractions. What we are going to do there? We have to compare then, okay. How means here also we have to convert them into equivalent like fractions. By how means, just see 7 by 9 equal to, it means we have to take the LCM of the numbers. The LCM of 9 and 11 is, that is 9 11s are 99. That is the LCM of the number. Now we are going to make them into, the denominators are same. So which number we are going to multiply? We get here 99. So it means 9 11. Okay, is it or not? 7 11s are 77. 9 11s are 99. Now we have to one more, that is 3 by 11. 3 by 11 equal to, we have to make them into that denominator as 99. How means we are going to multiply with 9. Yes or no? 11 9s are 99. And also here also 9. 3 9s are 27. Then now we can easy to find which is the bigger one. We can easy to compare the fraction. Just see here 27 by 99 and 77 by 99. Which is the bigger one? Obviously 77 by 99 only bigger one. So what is the value of 77 by 99? That is C here. So 3 by 11 is less than 7 by 9. Yes or no? 3 by 11 is less than 7 by 9. This is the way we are going to comparing of the unlike fractions.